Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
Welcome back to our English practice podcast.
Yes, here we practice English with very simple sentences, easy vocabulary, and fun, natural conversation.
No difficult grammar, no heavy words.
Just friendly English practice you can understand easily. Today's topic is something everyone can relate to daily problems.
Daily problems. Let's start.
So, Alex, tell me, what is your biggest daily problem?
My biggest daily problem is waking up. My alarm rings and my soul leaves my body.
Yes, my alarm is loud too, but I still hit snooze like 10 times.
Same. Alarm says, wake up. I say, no.
Another daily problem is phone addiction. I say 5 minutes, and suddenly 45 minutes are gone.
Same. Reels are dangerous. You watch one, then another, and suddenly you're watching how to teach English to a cat.
Yes, social media is powerful and painful.
Next problem, overthinking.
Oh, yes. I overthink everything. If someone says okay, I think, why only okay? Are they angry?
Same. My brain creates stories that don't even exist.
I have another daily problem. I forget things.
Same. I enter my room and forget why I came.
Happens every day. I go to kitchen for water and come back with snacks.
That is a useful problem.
I also struggle with small decisions like what to wear, what to eat, what to watch.
Same. Choosing food is the hardest thing. My brain is like, pizza? No. Pasta? No. Something new? No. Something old? No.
Decision making is a daily battle.
And the biggest problem? Procrastination.
Oh, yes. I say, I will do it at 5. At 5, I say, at 5:30. At 5:30, I say, tomorrow.
Same. Tomorrow is my favorite day for doing work.
I also feel low energy sometimes, like my battery is 10%.
Yes, and I need charging. But I don't know what the charger is.
For me, the charger is tea. 1 cup equals 100% battery.
My time management is terrible. I plan everything, but do nothing.
Same here. My plan is perfect on paper, but my real life is chaos. And one more funny problem talking to myself in the mirror.
That is not a problem. That is English practice.
True.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I have some daily problems.
Sometimes I feel stressed.
I forget things easily.
I overthink too much.
I will try to fix my habits.
I am improving every day.
Great job!
Daily problems are normal. Everyone has them.
Yes, we just need small steps. Take breaks, drink water, plan simple things. Stay calm, stay positive, practice English daily.
And laugh at yourself sometimes. It helps.
Alex, do you ever feel lazy?
Ever? Mia, laziness is my second name.
Same. Sometimes I have energy, sometimes I become a potato.
Yes, I sit on my bed like, I will do it in 5 minutes. And 5 minutes becomes 55 minutes.
Very true. Laziness is a daily problem for everyone. I have another problem. I keep losing things.
Same. I lose my wallet, my keys, my charger, and sometimes my will to live.
One day, I lost my phone and I was searching for it everywhere while holding it in my hand.
Mia, that's next level losing.
My mood changes quickly. Morning, happy. Afternoon, tired. Night, philosopher.
Yes, at night I become very deep. I start thinking about life, the universe, the future, the past, and sometimes breakfast.
Night thoughts are crazy.
Another problem is I have too many tasks but too little time.
Me too. I want to do everything, but my day finishes so fast.
Time is running and I am walking.
Perfect line. I also compare myself with others. It's not a good habit, but sometimes I do it.
Yes, we see other people's lives on social media and think we are not doing enough.
But social media is not real. Real life is different.
Very true. We should compare only with our past self.
Sometimes I feel overwhelmed, like everything is too much.
Same. When work, family, friends, everything comes together, my brain says, system overload.
Yes, but taking a small break helps. I also try to make everyone happy, and that becomes a problem.
Yes, we can't make everyone happy. Even ice cream cannot make everyone happy. And ice cream is perfect.
True, true.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us in simple English.
I have some daily problems.
But I try to stay positive.
I sometimes feel stressed.
I make mistakes, but I am learning.
I'm improving slowly.
I will handle my problems one by one.
Great job to handle daily problems. Take breaks, talk to someone, drink water, think positively, focus on small steps. Don't be hard on yourself.
And don't forget to laugh. Laughing solves half the problems.
Yes, laugh at your mistakes, smile at your efforts, and keep going.
Daily problems don't make you weak, they make you stronger.
Yes, every day you learn something new.
Don't give up. Don't stress. Just move slowly, step by step.
You're doing better than you think. Believe in yourself.
Okay, Mia, that's the end of our episode.
Yes, talking about daily problems was fun and relatable.
Thank you, listeners, for learning English with us.
Keep smiling, keep growing, keep practicing English.
Bye.
Bye!